Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by opening WhatsApp and entering any chat so the sticker panel is active. Once there, tap the emoji icon, then choose the sticker tab. Make sure you can see either the starred favorites or pack icons. You need to know whether the sticker is an individual saved emoji or belongs to a downloaded sticker pack, because removal steps differ. Once identified, proceed to the specific delete action I'll walk you through next. Now you perform the actual removals. If it's a saved favorite, open the Stars tab, long press the sticker, and tap Delete. This removes only that image. If it's a pack, tap the plus or sticker store icon, open My Stickers, find the pack, and use Delete or Trash to remove the entire set. Make sure to confirm prompts. Once deleted, the pack or sticker won't clutter your picker, and this frees space and simplifies finding what you use most. Finish by restarting WhatsApp so the sticker panel refreshes and removed items disappear immediately. If a sticker still shows, clear the app cache on Android or reinstall the app to force a rebuild. Make sure you back up chats first. Also check for an app update if delete controls are missing or unresponsive, because version differences change where options live. One quick troubleshooting tip: long press again and watch for the confirmation dialog. If it's absent,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.